Hi, my name is Theresa and welcome back to Theresa's Soapbox. Today we're here to talk about lawyers versus notaries. I get this question a lot and it's, should we use a lawyer? Can we use a notary? And people just really aren't sure what the difference between the two is. So for the purposes of the mortgage, with our lender, you're allowed to use both. It doesn't really matter. They provide similar services, and that's, providing your title search, preparing your transfer documents, and also transferring funds in between all the different parties. And lawyers and notaries take care of both of those. So the main difference between the two then comes in the aspect of legal representation. So maybe problems occur or you just got a more complicated deal, perhaps. For lawyers, they can represent you in court, whereas notaries cannot. So just something to keep in mind, in the future if something happens to go wrong or if you have complaints to make, that might make a difference to you. Also, lawyers can provide legal advice and notaries cannot. So it might just be a simple thing like, your neighbor's fence is on your land, you think, and you're not sure what to do about it. You're not even sure if that's true or not. A notary would be able to, maybe they know, but they wouldn't be able to legally advise you where a lawyer should. So then you're thinking, well, why doesn't everybody just use notaries? Maybe nothing will ever go wrong. And then if they're not providing legal representation, then they must be cheaper. That's also not the case. And it really comes down to the services that both lawyers and notaries provide. Some lawyers are even cheaper than notaries. However, you have to be careful and really dig down into finding out what services are included in this price that you're looking at. So some notaries may provide fantastic full rounded service for you and charge a premium for that, and some lawyers might be the opposite but be able to charge you a very reasonable rate. So again, it's up to you depending on sort of what level of risk and what comfort level you have with the person you're dealing with. But if you're not really sure where to go, then just call up a couple lawyers and some notaries and just ask them, what services do they provide, and then compare apples to apples and decide for yourself which you'd prefer. So thank you very much. Hope that helped out a bit, and talk to you next time. Bye.